So manufacturing concept in design for manufacturing, DfMA, design for manufacturing and assemblies. First one is a process standard. They should utilizing the process standard. The process standard is one of the essential for improving the safety and control the cost wise and reduce the manpower. In this area, they are utilizing in the quality concept. Muri, they are using and following Japanese techniques. Next one is a quality standard. The expected level should be attained. The quality level. Quality is essential for every industry. Suppose if we buying the any one common examples, we have been buying any one vehicles. That vehicle should reach their target. That means mileage of 80. Their company provided the 80 km per hours. They achieve the 80 km per hour. We can give the better reviews, and we can providing the we can suggest the another person. Suppose the quality of bike is not achieving the company provided the targets, that means low mileage, unsatisfactory, so increasing the poor quality, we never ever suggest these bikes. These are the examples. They should maintain the quality standards in all levels. Next one is a technology. We expecting the customers in every day newly things and novelty expectations in their they are buying the any one components. Example, cell phones, laptop, computers, or cars or bikes. They expecting the new technologies. We should adopt the and continuously improving the technologies in that particular components or products. Next one is a joining and fastening. Joining and fastening is very essential. They should be following the ISO standard materials and standard the materials following threading, making or joining, maybe riveting or butt weld or welding or connecting. Anyone we should follow this standard ISO standard, because we are exporting our material to another countries. They no need to expect. Suppose the any nut or bolt damage, they should not expect ourselves. They can making or that materials available on their countries. Next one is a complexity. So no need to complexities, commonalities. Workflow is a very easily by adopting the DfMA. They are following the standard rules. No need to the manpower, utilizing the manpower, because the designing and assemblies integrated by the DfMA. The workflow achieve the easiest target, and workflow providing the productivity, reducing the manpower, avoiding the handling times by implementing the new designs in processing area or manufacturing area. Demand volumes, quality target easily achieves by using DfMA. These are the concept of manufacturing sectors. Next, generate the new idea things. Understanding the product and functionally. Every labors or every workers or every employee should be known the understand the company product and functionally very well. If not aware of that product, they cannot achieving the quality and quantity. Understanding the product quality and demands. They are well known in quality and customers demands. Each product should be manufactured with expect level of quality. The quality awareness should be need for every employee of the companies. Next one is establish and manufacturing options. They are providing the lot of ideas. That means guys on every operators or employees or anyone, they are providing the options of establishing manufacturing options. New idea implement. That idea may be reducing the production cost or reducing the manpowers, reducing the machine powers, or avoid the quality defect, or they are providing the more safety. etc. They establish the assembly process options. The assembly process options based on the designing and design integrated with assemblies areas, mostly integrated, that should give the expert level of process, expert level of quantity and quality. Recognize the available technologies. The market providing, the customers provide the recognitions to us for we are providing the better quality of products. Generate multiple designs options. The continuously improvement need to improving or going to next level. They are utilizing where utilizing or creating the multiple designs based on the customers. Evaluate each idea's part count, minimal alignment, utilization of modular assemblies, efficient joining, no reorientation of parts, simplicity, functional to scope, quality, technology, capability, ongoing production cost, health and safety aspect.